What did we just do? What did we just do? I had 2,400 ability power. We chillin'. It's Ajax.
Straight up.
And Spliffster. It's the Spliffster. Double agent? Ironic Gromp?
Kind of mid usernames, not gonna lie.
Wooglets, Witch Cap, or Jeweled Gauntlet. I kind of like Wooglets.
I've got Aura. I've got a.
Is it Slow Cooker? Yeah.
One time I thought I found the hero.
I'll just take Wooglets. It's just more fun. I like
All
building
right.
the big Timmy item rather than having the big Timmy crits.
Alright, Jin, Twitch. What are you going? Come on, pick your augments.
Hopefully not Fan the Hammer on Twitch. It'll fully stack his passive with every auto. Oh, that's even worse.
Yeah.
Oh, that's incredibly scary.
Jin didn't get a good one.
Is that Dreadbringer or Doomsayer?
Doomsayer.
I'm in 100%. That's everything, right?
This piss trail gives you movement speed, by the way.
I know.
All right, sneakies. I know you're out there.
Just be ready to... No. He's gonna shoot at least one more for each of us, by the way. Yep, because the poison lasts for 6 seconds, and True Shot Prodigy has a... My bad. And True Shot Prodigy has a 5-second cooldown. So it's literally GG, we can't play. Witch Poison gives 2 stacks.
I hope the hero likes me.
Or not 2 stacks. Twitch Poison shoots 2 Ezreal ults, at least. Really, really gross. Nice, good takedown.
It's not that bad. On a fairy.
Yeah, I mean, it sounds really strong on Neferi.
Slash. Put the dog on a leash.
High Major Commodore Kled and his disruptive steed are honored guests. Great hunters grant me patience.
200 ability power and 20 magic pen.
Oh, I was wondering what that symbol was. It's a grunt. Oh. It's a
Nico
it's
Pillar,
a
Nico
gromp.
Pillar, Nico Pillar, Nico Pillar,
Well,
Nico
look
Pillar.
at the Nico. Look at Nico's portrait. It's at the top.
Oh, that's Tibbers. That's Annie's old R icon before her visual update.
Who knew there were so many heroes?
Give me Lucin. It's safe, I promise. Nice. Oh my god. That guy used Feel the Burn way too late.
Let the fires begin! Round complete. You are
1,000 damage with slow cooker.
I'll be right under
I'll be right under the
Bonnie's
nose.
auto attack animation is great. Demon King Crown with Wooglets, huh? Okay. Alright, Noah, we gotta sweat really hard, by the way, because I don't want to lose DKC stacks.
You just gotta win.
It's okay though. I think your E, if your E stuns somebody and I'm nearby with all my cooldowns, they'll die instantly. If we both full combo someone, I'm pretty sure they cannot survive.
Okay, we've got the dog with Mystic Punch. Bro's auto attacks are gonna be Qs.
battle! Follow the river.
you would go down.
I couldn't get him.
Oof. Camera control is really whack. Kinda all I got for now. This is a lot though. Oh, I missed my fear.
You will.
Yeah, easy.
Sentinel. Preparation phase.
Rip Gato. Double Flesh Eater. And the chauffeur Nefiri with and the host is a really mobile champion as well. That's dude, that is crazy.
Yep.
Attack.
Help, help. I killed a dog.
It's not dented.
It's still on me? She didn't take it. Oh, I killed! The fuck? I mean, they are really squishy, but I was a lot more scared of them than I should have been, I guess. I don't know. Like that, these two characters tied together can really fuck me up.
They can, but I'm here, Pookie.
What is your W cooldown right now?
One thing about
21
me,
seconds.
I'm not good at
Jesus.
slowing down.
Should be giving you the most amount of plants then, honestly. Is
I
there...
mean, I'm pretty much just saving it. Volume? Yeah, I guess so. At least I know what my next item's gonna be.
Clash.
Flat.
Just in case they come creeping.
Hello.
You can push if you want, honestly. I don't think... that's probably bad. I'm dead. I missed. I thought you were gonna let her do that. You're cooking the shit out of Nico.
There was.
The fucking 1-2 bing bong right there. Wow, I got Wooglets and DKC without losing a single DKC stack so far.
Pretty good.
Don't say it too early.
Good.
It's giving me 109 right now. With the only other AP item I have is the Wooglets. And the
Oh, Boogie.
Guardian's Orb. Guardian's Orb gives a lot.
Yeah, I get
Yeah, that's
that.
good.
By the way, my Vaughn can crit my Heartsteel, which gives me more stacks.
Yeah, because it heals you, or it grants you a
grant-
percentage of the post-mitigation damage as health, yeah. Look at that, dude. Look at this. This is so cringe. So cringe. We have to just, like, gun it for that Twitch, by the way.
Yeah, I'm not doing it.
Okay, Gunblade plus... Oh. Maybe she's tilted?
Wait, Mumu Rengar haven't lost yet.
Oh, I lost. Bro, a Byron doesn't count as a win for DKC.
Thrill of combat. We spare no
Suboptimal.
expense.
Kinda lame.
Reckon.
I'm dead.
Don't let him hit it with you with Q. Don't let him do it. He's
I
gonna
hit
do
him.
it. Run away!
I feared him midair. Lol, you got feared midair.
No, you said never.
You prevailed.
You got feared in midair, XD.
Team Krug has been eliminated.
Oldie Yellard. I feel like this one's kind of bad for endgame Poppy, because if you're trying to ult someone out, you might send them to a portal.
A seat of honor for Mel Nadada.
Maybe.
May her return to Noxus light your path to victory.
Ooh.
Okay. He found more crit chance. Smiley face. It just gives it to him.
And a
lot
gold
more than
shard
70.
too? Health shard and an AP shard. I mean...
I don't really care. I should have looked for Adapt, actually. Adapt would have been disgusting. It's
Yeah, how to do
Twitch.
this.
Oh, he's invisible. Just don't get poisoned, I guess. I don't know. Or when Twitch shows himself,
Crush.
just flash on him. He ulted.
Bug!
He's trolled. Need to try and get close so we don't get true shotted. Like, stay close. I'm gonna do this before he can. Oh,
3, 2, 1.
he almost won because I'm like really bad at landing skill shots, by the way.
This was the deciding factor.
Very disgusting.
Okay.
Victory is earned by the decisive.
I don't know. It's kind of hard for me to. Don't like just keep just like Eco when she tries to walk at me. I guess I don't know because she's gonna save her R to combo me or to finish you off.
Oops.
I did a huge chunk. I'm gonna keep 2 plants here. And my axe. Oh my god.
Here, let me get the flank. Long. Crit damage? Sure.
More slow cooker damage. Slow cooker, hollow radiance. Yo, why does Desolate do so much? Dude, we haven't lost a round since I've gotten this Demon King crown.
Yeah, it's really
Giving
good
me
for you.
190 ability power. What the fuck? Go ahead, walk on the body, bro. There's an eyeball on it. There's an eyeball on the body. You cannot walk onto the body, I feared. Because I'm looking at it. Because I'm looking at it with my eyeball.
Whoa, they killed Twitch. Jin.
No, that's our job here. No,
Oh.
that's our job here.
Well, no, they did just do it.
Oh.
Apex Inventor is crazy, no?
Yeah, take that, take that. You have Randuin's and Gore Drinker too. Wait, your Gore Drinker's on like a fucking 4-second cooldown.
Randuin's, Gore Drinker, and Heartsteel.
I found Big Brain.
Tell me I'm Requise without telling me I'm Requise.
Just like the hero
3200 HP.
And I bought a Heartsteel. Not Heartsteel, a Frozen Heart.
I have more health than you. Well, for the time being.
Oops.
They're gonna request me out. That might kill you. We'll all get one shot, bro. End my
He's gonna die to
axe.
burn. He's gonna die to burn.
End my axe.
All that shit talking. We the big dogs now.
End my axe.
Has been eliminated.
and my search continues.
Goodbye, Ajax. And Jupes. It was nice knowing you.
Do I even
What do I build
need
that's
Frozen
optimal
Heart?
here?
Not for this one. Actually, it gives me a lot of armor. Or more.
I'll just do Riftmaker. That sounds nice. Crouching Tiger, Hidden Mummy. Dude, fuck that, fuck that. Alright, I'm gonna R, and then I'm gonna take this. I couldn't. Alright, my Zonia's was down.
Okay, how do we
Not get quite pawned. It's Magma Chamber.
Okay, that's a start.
My flat pen is a bit disappointing though. Wigglitz is giving me 663 ability power. Demon King Crown is giving me 225. Riftmaker's giving me 9.
I snagged Cloak.
Okay.
That's ridiculous.
Don't get too far away from me, please. Ringar actually fucks me up. But don't stay too close because of...
I have the man. Help!
I know, but the mummy has me.
Dude, Gore Drink.
Yeah, the Gore Drinker saved your life there. That was beautiful.
Is there anything else that can do that? Unending Despair, maybe? Swap it out for what?
Yeah, Unending Despair with Apex Inventor.
Hollow
yeah.
Radiance?
No, Unending Despair. Swap out the Hollow Radiance, yeah.
A selection from our wealthy
Swiftness AP Shard.
Every 1 second, heal for 250% of 144.
That okay, that might do it then.
clash.
I have to play Portal. Render's ulting. I'm not scared, you're scared.
I'm literally fine.
Take my hammer.
I couldn't do anything. That was a perfect chain CC. Okay. He's cooking. The Unending Despair? The Despair is indeed unending? I couldn't... I tried to press R and then Woog! You have to kill him. Nope. He's level 28? Just push him out. Just push him out. You beat him if you
I
do.
went through burn. I went through burn.
Okay,
Let's
we're
go.
just
Let's
down.
go. Let's go.
Earned it.
Why are you just standing there cooking him to death?